Hello everyone. Today I'm presenting our project SciTemper. In today's world, we are surrounded by a huge amount of information, but not all of it is scientific or reliable, and that creates a major problem where people tend to memorize science but do not actually think scientifically, which lead to spread a misinformation, pseudoscience, and logical fallacies. And many individuals struggle to difference between facts, opinions, and misleading claims. So even though scientific temper is mentioned in the Indian Constitution, there is no proper structured system to measure or develop it. And that is exactly the gap that our project SciTemper aims to solve. SciTemper is an advanced web development platform that evaluates a user's scientific literacy, measures their critical thinking ability, analyzes how they interpret data and evidence, and finally provides a personalized learning path. So instead of just giving marks, it creates a complete scientific profile of the user's thinking process. The platform is built around six core dimensions, which include conceptual literacy, critical thinking, statistical reasoning, scientific method, science and social society awareness. That we are not just testing knowledge, but actually understanding how a person thinks in real world situations. One of the main features of our project is interactive quiz system, where users can dynamically adapt for it. Before logging into the quiz, we have given a code feature where you have to log in for a website. Here you give the details and just create your login. And there will be a OTP created here, which you will be just entering the OTP here and you will be able to access the quiz. As you can see here, we have directly logged in into the quiz platform. Now this quiz contain a multiple choice questions, reason based and true or false questions. And the system provides immediate real life logic such as correction versus causation or identifying common myths and misconceptions. After completing the quiz, like you can see here, I have selected an option and it is correct. And it has given an explanation. As you can see here, the quiz have already started here. And you have to just select the answers which you wanted to select. And there will be an AI expression after every selection of an object. As you can see here, I have selected a wrong answer in the quiz. And I got an explanation why it is wrong and why this option is called as the correct option. So you will get every question an individual explanation by which you can gain the knowledge. And the total quiz containing about 5 questions in which there will be all type of questions contained. As you can see here, I have got a result. And then after you will be checking your level on the temper scale. As you complete your results, users are placed on a scientific temper scale consisting of 5 levels, which are novice, curious, informed, analytical, and scientific. And this helps users clearly understand where they stand and what they need to improve. In addition to this, platform provides strong visual feedback using score rings, progress bars, and radar charts, which display the user's strengths and weaknesses across all 6 dimensions in a clear and engaging way. Another important feature in misconception detection is where the system identifies logical fallacies, false beliefs, and pseudoscientific thinking patterns and provides scientifically accurate explanations to correct them. As you can see them in the Explore platform button here, placed right over here, and it contains a mini assessment where you will be answering the 5 questions at the same as the main quiz. In this quiz also you will be having an explanation for each and every question, which makes you to gain some knowledge. As you can see here, when I click the result, you got the result. And when you click on this simulate profile update, you can see where in which areas you're strong and which areas you're weak. By that, you can get a clear analysis of your knowledge. And another important feature is the misconception detection. Like people will be carrying the misconception for decades. Like the common misconception around the people are we only use the 10% of our brains, which is a myth. And for the real fact, we have provided the real facts all over here. As you can see that here. And along with this, we have integrated AI-powered learning elements such as myth versus fact and deeper concept explanations, so that learning continuously even after the assessment is completed. As you can see here, if I would place any question right here, you will get an easy explanation for that. You can ask any question right here. It will give the explanation which is coordinated with the AI. The platform is built using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, where the front end handles the user interface and interaction. Concludes, SciTemper is just not a quiz platform, but a step towards building a scientifically aware society, because a strong nation is built on a strong thinkers. Thank you, everyone.